Hello students, welcome to the political science tutorial. In this video, I am going to discuss with you a topic, what is political theory. The outline of the lecture will be, I will be discussing with you what is theory, what is political theory, characteristics of political theory and nature of political theory. First, I will discuss with you what is theory. Theory, it is basically originated from the Greek word theoria. Theoria has developed the English word that is theory. Theory is nothing but it is a systematic knowledge which is used in practice. Practice meaning which is used in reality. Basically, theories are formulated with an aim, that is to explain, to predict the future, and to understand the research problems under the study which is exist. Now let's learn about what is political theory. So we know the meaning of theory. Theory means it is a systematic knowledge. When it is said it is political, political refers to a matter of public concern which is in political nature. So when we combine these two words, that is political theory, it is nothing but it is a body of knowledge related to the political matters of the state. So it is studying about the political problems which are existing in the state. It is all about the politics. Political theory, it is studying everything about the politics. So it is an overview of what the political order is about. Basically, political theory is a symbolic representation of what is political. In its nature, political theory, it is formal, logical and systematic analysis of processes and consequences of political activities. It means that it basically tells us the process of political activities and what are the consequences of those activities are all been noted in the political theory. Political theory in its method, it is basically analytical. So it is analyzing the whole issue of the political matter. It is expository. It is basically studying more about that political issue, and it is explanatory. So that issue is explained by the political theory in a very systematic manner. There are different definitions which are associated to political theory. Different thinkers have defined the political theory in a different way. To name few, I have a David Held, and according to him, political theory is a network of concepts and generalizations about political life involving ideas, assumptions, and statements about the nature, purpose, and key features of government, state and society, and about the political capabilities of human being. So it is basically studying everything about the politics. Next thinker is Andrew Hacker, and he defines political theory as a combination of disinterested search for the principles of good state and good society on the one hand, and a disinterested search for knowledge of political and social reality on the other. There are certain characteristics associated to political theory. So first characteristic of political theory is that political theory work for the political life of the citizens, his political behavior, his political ideas, the government that it seeks to establish, and the task expected from such a government. So it means that political theory is basically studying about everything about the politics. So it involves studying about the political life of the citizen. It also studies what is the behavior, political behavior of the people in the state, about the political ideas of the people, on what basis the government is established and what is expected from the government. All these things are being studied in political theory. The second characteristics of political theory is that the methods which are being used in political theory, it basically includes description, explanation and investigation of the political phenomena. So political theory basically studies about the politics in form of description, in form of explanation and in form of investigation, and putting that systematic knowledge before the people. Next characteristic is that though political theory is all about what is political, but it also attempts to understand political in relation to social, economic, psychological, ecological and moral and likewise. So this means that political theory is not only limited only to study about the political method, but its studies are also interdisciplinary. So its studies are related to other social science subjects like to sociology, economic, psychology, ecology and other many discipline, interdisciplinary. Other characteristic of political theory that the objective which political theory seeks to achieve is to build a good state in a good society, and in the process create processes, procedures, institutions and structure historically tested and rationally attained. This means that political theory, the main aim is to create a good state, okay, good state and good society. So whatever political issues the political theory is studying is trying to give a solution in order to create a good state and good society. At the same time, whatever procedure, processes, institutions, structures are being formed, are being evolved as a result of political theory, it is basically tested and then it is included in the reality. Next characteristic is that political theory is a body of thought. Political theory attempts to explain, evaluate and predict political phenomena, and in the process builds not only scientifically testable models but suggest values as ruled by human conduct. So it is basically trying to explain and evaluate the political phenomena of the society, and it also try to create a testable models for a good society wherein the human being can live a very systematic life. Political theory is both prescriptive and explanatory. So it gives in detail about the prescription and explanation of various political theories which are being studied on different political phenomena. Next one is the nature of political theory. So nature of political theory can be explained in following ways. First is empirical statement. So political theory studies are basically based on empirical method. Empirical meaning it is based on some facts. So data under empirical study is collected on the basis of fact. So empirical statement are being given by the political theory which is based on their observation and through sense and experience. So political scientists, when they conduct their study in the society on some political issue, they use a empirical method. So empirical method basically includes the methods like observing that whole issue in the society, then then experiment them in the society and draw the conclusion. So data is basically collected totally on the basis of fact. So whatever the conclusion the political theory gives, that statement is totally based on empirical statements. It is based on factual basis. Next nature of political theory is logical statement. So logic has been drawn out of the study of political theory. So it is based on reasoning, meaning we know that the answer will be this, like the example here it is given. If we count 2 plus 2, we know the answer that it is 4. It cannot be 5 or it cannot be 6. So similarly it is here in the political theory. So whatever conclusion are being drawn in political theory, it is based on some logical statements, some reasons. Next nature of political theory on evaluative statement. So political theory is basically based on some value judgment. So value judgment, like say for example, all men are born equal and free. So when the political scientist conducting its study in the society on some political issue, his study should not be discriminatory in nature. So he should take into consideration the views, the problems of all the people who are living in a society and give the judgment on fair basis without any bias. So evaluative statement, it means that the political theory is its study is based on non discriminatory nature. Okay, so no discrimination is made, all are taken into consideration, and then the empirical statement is given. There is certain significance associated to political theory. So studying political theory is important, and the reason why it is important are given below. It says that it is important because it control the social life, because political theory, it is studying the different political phenomena in the society. So after studying the political phenomena, the current political phenomena, the political scientists try to draw the weaknesses. Okay, the weaknesses which are being present in the society, and it tries to give the solution to those weaknesses and make the life of a human being a good life. So its main objective, as we have studied earlier, that its main objective is to build a good state, a good society. So in this way, by understanding the social problem, the political scientist in the theory gives a solution, and this way it is controlling the social life. It tries to give a good life to all those who are living in the society. Next importance associated to political theory, that it related to social criticism and reconstruction. So the practices which are present in the society, the bad practices are being criticized by the political scientists, and after criticism, this political scientists try to reconstruct those social practices for a good of a society. Okay, next is classification of concepts. So political theory classify different political concepts which helps the human being to understand them in a better way. Next is encouragement to mutual respect and toleration. So because of its value judgment attitude, the political theory encourage giving respect to all those who are living in a society. So this is with regard to the topic what is political theory. Thank you.